Alright, so this is a redo of the other video. So if you're watching this for the first time in the fall of 2016, then the first one you watched didn't really provide very good quality and there wasn't any sound. So this is a redo to that one. And so here we go. So we jump into this and we have a thing called the vertical line test. And what the vertical line test does for us is it basically says that if I draw a vertical line through a graph of an equation, if the line passes through more than once, then it's not a function. So let's grab a straight line. Let's make it red. And we'll make sure it's, it doesn't really matter. Make sure it's kind of thick. And so here's a graph of a linear function. So if we draw a vertical line through right there, or if we draw a vertical line through right there, or anywhere that we draw that vertical line, the point is that it passes through one time right there. It passes through one time, it passes through one time. So according to the vertical line test, so we're discussing the vertical line test. According to the vertical line test, it passes through only once at any particular point. So this relation, this is a relation, is a function. It's a special kind of relation called a function. We already learned about what a relation and a function are. We can also use this on any type of graph. So if we take a look at this graph right here, we notice we draw right there, passes through twice, draw right there, passes through twice. If we draw over here, if we draw over here, it only passes through one time. Like that's only once right there. But that doesn't matter. At any other place on this graph, it passes through 1, 2 times. 1, 2 times. So this is not a function. Not a function. However, it is a relation. So I mean, remember, it's a relation is a special function. So this is a relation. It's just not a function. Coming to the last one, same thing with the vertical line test. Draw some vertical lines to see that it passes through one and only one time. So this is a function. It's a relation. That's a special kind of relation called a function. And then last but not least, what happens if they just give us ordered pairs? Well, what this really is doing is it's showing you why ordered pairs aren't functions when an x is repeated. Excuse me. When an x is repeated, because when I draw a vertical line of that, you can see here that on the first order pair you get -2, on the second order pair you get -2. So -2 belongs to, it's not unique. -2 belongs to two different y values, and so by definition, either with the vertical line test or by definition of a function, this is not a function. So, like I said, that's a quick little video to kind of guide you through how to use the vertical line test to determine whether or not something's a function.